How much you have in the bat? We call an attitude adjuster.
Just never decorate for Halloween anymore.
Yeah, it's.
And I just thought it's so unique, but I don't do the scary stuff anymore.
Yeah. Good morning. Good, good.
I think it's queen size. Pretty big. I used it when I went to work on that project.
How much you have in the bat?
$5, it's yours.
$5, huh? Buying baseball or softball bats, always make sure to check them for dents and for cracks in the bat.
$5. Thank you.
Oh, the ball. Oh, okay. Are you getting?
No, I say
I
for
just
you.
bought the glove for my work. Had a softball thing.
Mm-hmm.
I was managing Outback Steakhouse. We did all the Outbacks had a tournament.
Yeah.
And I couldn't find my damn gloves. So I had to go buy a glove.
Oh no, what are you asking for?
I'll never use it again.
What are you asking for the glove?
$10.
$10.
I think I paid 60,
Yeah.
70 for it.
Looks in great condition.
Yeah, I put the, what do you call it,
The
glove oil on
yeah,
it
yeah.
because I wanted to be able to catch a ball with it. It was so new.
Yeah, they're super stiff when they're new.
Lord, I'm going to take her back into the house.
Go ahead, yeah.
Wrong button. What do you have in the DVDs?
Probably like,
That's just for excerpts, right?
huh? What do you think's fair for that, Gloria? You help me negotiate. I don't know, $5 for all of them.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's a brand new juicer. My daughter bought it for my wife.
Brand new.
Yeah, brand new. We never even used the damn thing, and it's really, really nice. My wife was really into it, but now she does like smoothies and she uses a what do you call it, a blender, Vitamix.
Gotcha, gotcha. What do you have on
we
this?
Never even used it.
I'm not familiar with the brand.
I'm not either, but my daughter would never buy. My daughter does cancer research at Moffitt, so
Oh,
there's
okay.
no way she'd buy crap. She does
Yeah.
she does research, and she sent me to like Okanola restaurant for my
Gotcha.
birthday, so she knows how to purchase.
Yeah.
I have no idea what she paid for it, but probably $15 maybe.
$15, okay. Let me make a little pile over here.
Absolutely,
If that's okay.
Yeah, wherever you like. Put it right in the baby thing. You know?
Here we go. Right there.
Looks like a ready-made shopping bag.
Yeah. Grab these DVDs. I should probably check and make sure they're in here, huh?
They are, yeah.
I can't tell you how many garage sales I go and people put them out and then they forgot they left the one DVD in the DVD player. And I get home and I'm like, damn it, why didn't I check?
Yeah, I hope it's not home movies. That's the best.
Well, it's just funny. Is used to see when I used to buy a lot of old VCRs and I used to find like old like porno videos hidden in the back of the VCRs or they're like, you can tell like kids would swap them out. They'll have one like as like a teenager. And you open up, like it'll be X-Men, and you open it up, and it's adult films.
That's
So how long do you work for Outback for?
just a year.
Oh, okay. I thought about buying this food processor. I probably could have got about $50-$60 for it, but when I opened up the manual, I noticed that it is refurbished, so I decided to pass on it for that reason.
Thank you, Gloria.
What are you asking on this?
But
Oh, what is this?
I hope you're keeping track.
I'm keeping track.
What's going on, folks? Yeah, that headband thing goes with this. This was actually a hippie hippie costume. Oh,
What?
the headband.
Oh, it's not.
It was a hippie costume.
All right.
I like 2 feet better than you.
We had 5, 10, 15. That was,
Oh, that
oh,
was
I'm sorry,
5
20.
too.
I'm sorry, 5. 20. So 20, 21.
21? Yep.
Sorry, I haven't drank my coffee yet this morning. There's 20. There you go.
Thank you.
Another dollar here. Hold on.
Appreciate you, my
Appreciate it, man.
Put it to good use.
Will do. Future Rod here. I have to stop this video to take a brief public service announcement because we need to stop leaving money on the table. And that's why you guys need to start cross-listing with Vendoo. If you guys aren't familiar with Vendoo, Vendoo allows you to cross-list your items to multiple reselling platforms. You guys hear all the time about how great cross-listing is, but no one's ever stopped and showed you guys. In the last 30 days, I sold this Space Jam shirt on Mercari for $240. I sold this Beavis and Butthead comic book here, Godzilla magazine lot on Whatnot. Sold the comic book for $70, and then I sold the magazines for $50. And then on Poshmark, I sold this Zelda game right here for $60. Those 4 sales alone made me an extra $400 in my business, all because I was able to reach a new audience by cross-listing my items. I clicked one button to simply cross-list my items from my eBay account, and that's only a fraction of my sales. I've been able to increase my bottom line by thousands of dollars per month just because cross-listing. Vendoo allows you to list your items better and faster because they actually have tools built into the software that you're able to enhance your listings. You can use Vendoo as little as 10, 20 bucks a month. The best part is they're going to allow you to try it out for free. So guys, go click on the link, and I'm going to take it one step further. Anyone who signs up for Vendoo, please send me a private message, and I can help you go through any steps or any questions you guys may have, because I want you guys to succeed just like I have. Stop leaving money on the table, sell more of Vendoo. Now let's get back to picking.
Oh, I got it. I figured since they're having the estate sale next door.
Right. All right, take it easy.
Yep, you all enjoy. That's from the Long Ranger and Tonto set. What would you offer? Yeah, I can do better on the eBay. Yeah, I'm sure. I need at least 20 on it. Yeah, that came from 1970. The Long Ranger and Tonto. He's a bad guy from Star Wars.
Yes.
From the new Star Wars.
Well,
Newer,
okay.
yeah. We call an attitude adjuster.
That's it. Yeah, the MP uniform too.
What do you have on that?
Thanks a lot. 20 bucks.
20 bucks.
Yeah, it comes with the little holster.
Yeah.
Is this the yard estate sale?
No, that is across the street.
Oh, really? How did I miss it?
Well, if you turn around and look, there's garage doors open.
How many times have you said that today?
Everybody.
Yeah, I know. I did the same thing when I came earlier. So.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
We're all having fun. I mean, Al.
Hello. Good morning. They were asking 20 bucks for this T-Max shoes. Unfortunately, they only go for about 30, 40 bucks on eBay, so I decided to pass. What's this? Legos. Minifigs. These aren't Legos though. One thing you want to look out for with Legos is minifigs. Unfortunately, these minifigs were generic. One way to always tell is if you actually look at the Lego pieces, all Lego pieces are branded with the Lego symbol on them.
Yeah,
Oh, these are cool.
Well, we're always throwing
What's that?
something and cutting something off, and
they're looking for
Yeah, but it's a queen, and Manuel's taking it selling.
How old is this?
How old is this, Claire? Your ugly little
oh,
witch.
I
She
don't know.
loves
I've
that
had
witch.
it for a very long time, but I bought it from a vintage sale.
Yeah, it's cool. Like,
Very cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was like I was like, should I give it up? I just never decorate for Halloween anymore.
yeah, it's
And I just thought it's so unique, but I don't do the scary stuff anymore.
yeah, it's handmade, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's,
I mean, I can't imagine it.
yeah, no,
any
it's
other
yeah,
way.
yeah. That's a cool piece.
Yeah, I thought so.
Really neat.
Buy it.
How much is it?
$7.
Okay. Take 5 for it?
How about 8?
8. I'll think about it. I'm gonna get this though. So far.
I used to love to put her on my couch for Halloween.
Yeah.
Just sit there. She'd look at me. I'm like. I used to do everything scary Halloween.
I'm a big Halloween guy myself.
There's a few pieces I still held on to. I love they put these big candles in them, but oh, these are cool too. You have a kid?
Yeah. Oh, they're neat. I love it. That one does it too? Yeah.
It takes a different way.
Yeah, I love it. Was there any more video game stuff? I saw the 2 controllers over there.
That's all he gave.
Okay.
Yeah, just the 2 that's for PS4.
Gotcha. I'll do these
Okay.
two.
So this is 3, and I don't know what yours is.
I think
You
those
want
are
the bag?
5.
5. Yeah, these. That's right. I'll take the money, Rachel, and then I'll give you.
Okay, fine. Well, I'll get the bag. Did you get Chris's furniture on it?
I have a bags right here. Do you want the thing for 5?
Sure.
Okay. He's gonna buy my cool witch.
I'll go grab it. I really appreciate it.
He really seems to like it. I thought, you know what? Why don't you go to bring it home? I love it.
I love it. I mean, it's one of those things that you're just not gonna find.
Right.
You know, it's just a
You're not. That's why it was hard for me to give it up.
yeah.
You know, but I thought, you know what?
I'm
I
a huge I am a huge Halloween guy.
You would have
so.
liked some other ones that I had. I just bring them because I thought, oh, I'm not ready to give them.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so wait.
So it's 5, 10, 13. So you owe me 7.
like the 1,000, and
I just.
certain things like
It's creepy.
It is creepy.
What is that paper? Is that paper mache?
That's what I think it is.
Yeah, and then I think these are paper mache, and then
These are sewn.
these are just sewn on legs, but like the head, the
The
detail in the face is outstanding.
And because it's all kind of stained and stuff, it was like it
Yeah,
makes
it
it
just-
look like it's supposed to, right?
Absolutely. So, hey, ma'am, I see that you have empty bottles of empty liquor here.
Yeah.
No, do you have any like full bottles you guys are selling at all?
Do I have the liquor?
No, do you guys have any liquor bottles you guys are actually selling? I just saw these. I wasn't sure if you guys had. Some people have a collection of liquor. Sometimes they want to sell off.
A regular liquor to drink?
Yeah, yeah.
No, honey,
Oh,
we
okay.
drink that.
Okay. I thought I would ask.
I had gotten, I had put an ad, and some people have gotten like photographers. Like
Yeah.
They
So yeah.
Said, whatever. Yeah.
Okay,
No.
sometimes
They won't let me get rid of. I don't really drink, but my son, he won't let me.
sometimes I find bourbon at yard sales and stuff. That's why because people buy because they collect it and then they get too much and like I can't drink all this.
Really?
Yeah, so that's why I just asked. All right, you have a good day. Friendly?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, hello.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, I'm a huge animal lover.
2 years old.
Oh, 2 years?
Yeah.
You're a biggie for 2.
Yeah.
You're big. Hi. Yeah, you smell my dogs. I got 3 dogs.
Yeah.
So, all right, you have a good day, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. On Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be going live on Whatnot. I'm in a storage unit battle, so come hang out with me. I got crazy items. Everything's starting at $1, and we're doing sudden death. I got Coach purses, Lego box sets, wrestling titles, all kind of crazy stuff you guys do not want to miss. I'm only going live for half an hour, so make sure you guys are there. Check it out. It's this Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't miss it on Whatnot. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.